Namaste. Myself is Naresh Kumar Marwar from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. I am an assistant professor in a computer science department. Today's session is based on information theory. What is information theory? How we can use this is a model of digital communication. In this model, information source and the destination and the communication channel are used. If I want to send a message from source to destination, so I need a medium. Here communication channel is used as a medium. In between information source and the communication channel, coding techniques are work. These coding techniques are basically change your message into 01 sequence, and destination and the communication channel in which decoding techniques are work that are used for convert the sequence into your message. But in communication channel, due to some noise, disturbance, distraction, data may be lost. So you can say data may be exactly or not exactly to be delivered. In today's life, we are using lot of communication channels for transmitting the data like mobile phone, CD, DVD, wireless card and lot of things. The Shannon definition of communication. The fundamental problem of communication is that of reproducing at one point either exactly or approximately a message selected at another point. It means if I want to deliver a message from source to destination, it should be delivered exactly or approximately at the selected another point. Now, what Shannon wants? He wants data should be delivered reliably and maximal data should be delivered. So, this is a diagram when we are trying to send information from information source to destination. We are using coding and decoding and the communication channel for transmitting the data. So Shannon wants only few things. First, data transmit it should be reliable and maximal data should be delivered at the destination. This is the vision of Shannon. Shannon wants to remove the disturbance in communication channel and data should be delivered in proper manner. In between the data and the channel, we are using encoding techniques for the source and for the channel. And in between user and the channel, we are using decoding techniques for the source and the channel. With the help of encoding and decoding techniques, we can transmit our data. It should be reliable or exactly as you want to deliver. This is the disk storage. Data is stored in a zip format. So in between the data and the channel, we are using zip and the add CRC technique. And in between the user and the channel, we are using unzipping and the verify the CRC. See, if I am talking about zip or source encoding, it means here are working data compression techniques. If I am talking about unzip and source decoding, here is working data decompression techniques. If I am talking about add CRC and channel encoding used for error protection, and for error correction we are using verify your CRC and channel decoding. This is basically used in term of information theory terminology. This is used for VCD and the DVD. MPEG encoder, MPEG decoder, RS encoding and the RS decoding are used in a CD and DVDs. Take another example. Speech encoding, speech decoding, CC encoding and the CC decoding are used in cellular phone. Now this is another example of wireless LAN. Same use, data and the channel. In between we are using zip and CC encoding. In between the user and the channel we are using unzip and CC decoding. It means if I want to deliver any kind of data from source to destination, I need encoding and decoding techniques for transmitting data in a proper manner, and exactly I want to deliver to the host at the destination. Shannon theory. Shannon theory is basically based on 3 points. First, measurement of the information. How to measure the information. Source coding theory, channel coding theory. Shannon first question is how to measure the information in terms of bits. It is a big question for Shannon. So Shannon is basically used probabilistic or probability theory for calculate in terms of bits. He is using entropy function for calculate the information in bits. For example, if we are tossing a dice, so outcomes are possible 1 to 6. It means the probability is 1 divided by 6. The information provided by tossing a dice is 2.585 bits, but it is not an integer. Shannon showed to reliably store the information generated by some random source X, you need no more or less than on the average h of x bits for each outcomes. It means if you want to store your information, you need in an integer form, not less than, not greater than. Meaning it's if I toss a dice in 10 lakh times, okay, so I need 3 bits for storing each outcomes. It means 30 lakh bits for storing the information. So each bit is equals to 1 byte. So resulting here, now you only need 2.585 bits for storing each outcomes. So the file can be compressed to yield size is 2585000 bits. Optimal comparison ratio is between those is 32.3.31%. Now data is delivered using the network from source to destination. When we are deliver our data from source to destination, so we are using lot of technology, but after using the technology, maybe sometime we lost the data packets. What happened? Impairment like packet loss can be viewed as erased data that are erased means they are lost during the transmission. It means he is talking about if you transmit your data, they may be erased or delete during the transmission of data. Now see, suppose to A send a data in the form of binary 010100 to B. It means source is A and the destination is B, but the network was so poor that B only received 0 question mark 0 question mark 0 0. It means 1 is removed over here, so B asked A to send again. It means Only this time he received 0 question mark 1 double 0, and B goes crazy. It means due to the poor connection of network, your data is lost. What can A do? What if A sends 4 times 0, 4 times 1s, 4 times zeros, 4 times 1s, 4 times zeros, and 4 times 0? It means he is used the repetition of each transmission 4 times. Now, I send this data to B. Now, again due to network issue, our first data is missing. But this happens at the probability p raised to power 4. Thus, if the original network has packet loss p equal to 0.25 by repeating each symbol 4 times, the resulting system has packet loss rate p raised to power 4 is equals to 0.003900625. But if the data rate is in the original network is 8 Mbps, then what happen? With repetition of A, it means here I am just multiply by 4 for sending exact data from A to B. Now one challenge in front of Shannon. Is repetition the best he can do? Repetition can possible. Repetition can the solution of the problem. Now, channel coding theorem is introduced by Shannon. Give me a channel. And I can compute a quantity called capacity C for that channel. Then reliable communication is possible only if your data rate stay below C. It means he need a channel. By using that channel, he wants to transfer the data. Now, in this example, A send to B a data. In the last slide, we are calculating P 0.25. He calculated the channel capacity. It means if suppose to I required 1, if P is 0.25, when I subtract them, then result is 0.75, and there exist coding schemes such that it means he is calculated the capacity of channel. We are using a lot of theorems, source coding theorems, and apply on different ways for image compression, for data compression. And information theory has applied to all kind of communication, stock market economics, game theory, quantum physics, cryptography, biology, and many more. So, in all theories, or we are talking about in Shannon, he wants only one thing. He wants to transfer data from one place to another place. He don't wants to lose the data. He wants a channel for deliver data from one place to another place in a proper format. He wants a transfer a reliable data, exactly data that I send from source to destination. Thank you.